Hi, my name is Bob DeGemis from Connecticut Custom Clothing Company. We're here today to talk about packing for a 3 to 5 day business trip. What we're going to include, obviously, are all our toiletries, socks, underwear, and business suits, shirts, ties, everything that goes with it, and shoes. Sometimes, the destination you're going to, they're going to have business casual affairs. I will wear a sport coat or a blazer to travel in with a casual pair of trousers, with or without a tie, doesn't make any difference. Or you can wear jeans. If you do, pack another pair of trousers with your sport coat, so you have 2 pair of trousers to go with your sport coat. We're going to try and give you 5 changes of clothes for 5 days. 3 suits, 1 sport coat, 2 trousers, 5 shirts, and socks and underwear to go with it, with a pair of black shoes and a pair of brown shoes. So you can knock the week out and look different every day. This garment bag is called a rolling Suitor. It is designed to carry hanging clothing. So there's a couple of hints that will make your life a little easier. Each of your suits, put them in a plastic bag from your dry cleaner. Gives you a little bit of air, which is going to decrease the wrinkling when you're in transit. I've taken all my ties, put them on one hanger. When you get to your destination, hang your trousers by the cuffs. That way the wrinkles fall out. Good quality suits, the wrinkles tend to fall out. It's just a natural tendency of the garment. 3 suits, this has an extra pair of trousers on the same hanger. Makes life easy. Now your shirts. Shirts, bag them all individually. Just want you want that little extra air pocket in there. This all clips. It doesn't slide, so everything's in place. So before packing, shine your shoes. All right. So when you get to your destination, you're good to go. You've got a pair of shoes on. It's going to work with your blazer. You can also wear it with your suits. Make sure those are shined too. Packing your shoes. Grab a few pair of socks. You can fill your shoes with your socks. It's basically a soft shoe tree, great for travel without the weight of the shoe tree. Grab a couple of shoe bags. So this is one of those little details that's going to help you look like $1,000,000 when you come out of your hotel room to look just the way you would come out of your house. There's plenty of other space in this bag. Fill those spaces. There's a shoe compartment. Take your shoes, put them in the compartments. Travels well. So all this straps down. I found that these heavy-duty 1-gallon plastic zip bags are great. They don't take up a lot of space. They're very lightweight. You can fit all your toiletries in there. They're awesome. There's a few things that you might want to remember, just in case. This is a little sewing kit. It has everything in there. Pop a button, you blow out a seam, you whatever. You can put things back together so you're presentable. Extra collar stays. You don't want to get to the other end, I forgot whatever, or I need whatever. This is a spot remover. Get a spot on your tie, get a spot on your shirt, get a spot on your suit. You don't want to have to send everything out to be cleaned and pressed. One more little travel hint. Your computer and your medications. Keep them in a shoulder bag. Take them with you. We're ready to button up. No pun intended. The part that's going to take the most energy is picking up this bag to put it on the floor. Because once you do, they're awesome. You're good to go. Thank you from Connecticut Custom Clothing Company. Have any questions? Feel free to email us. Bob@ctcustomclothing.com or Sarah with an H at ctcustomclothing.com. Have a great trip.